Hey people, it's Veronica and welcome to my channel. And on today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this reversible satin or silk bonnet. If you would like to see how I did this, please stay to the end of the video. Thank you. You will need 1 yard each of 2 colors of satin or silk fabric, elastic band, measuring tape, a pair of scissors. You also need pin, chalk to mark your fabric, and matching thread. First thing is to fold one of the colors of your satin or silk fabric into 4 like you can see me do in the video. Now, mark on the fabric a radius of 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters all around like I'm doing, and join all the points together. Cut out the outline you have made with your chalk. Now fold the second color of satin or silk fabric into 4, just like the first. Then place the first fabric on the second and cut out. Now place the 2 fabrics right side to right side and get ready to sew. We will be sewing on a ½ inch or 1.3 centimeter seam allowance. Sew round the edge of the fabric. While sewing, remember to leave about 2 inches or 0.8 centimeters space. This will be used to insert the elastic band. After sewing, you will bring out the right side of the bonnet through the 2-inch space we created while sewing. You will now take the bonnet back to your sewing machine and sew along the edge on the 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter seam allowance. Please note that you will sew round the edge without leaving any space. Pin one end of your elastic band. Find the opening you made while sewing and pass the elastic band through the opening till it comes out at the other end. After passing the elastic band through the entire circumference of the bonnet, pin both sides of the elastic band, but don't sew. Try it on to ensure it fits right and adjust the length if it doesn't. Pin when satisfied with the tension of the elastic band. Notice I did not give any measurement for the elastic band. This is the trick to ensure your satin or silk bonnet is not too loose or too tight on your head. Sew the two sides of the elastic band and finish off the opening just like I'm doing. You can also do an invisible stitch, but I just decided to just sew with my machine. But if you want to see how to sew an invisible stitch, please leave your comments down below. We are done. This is how your satin or silk bonnet should look if you follow my steps. It turned out so well. I'll be gifting the bonnet to a colleague at work. She loved it immediately she saw it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, comment and share. Also leave comments down below on DIY projects you would like to see. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.